after a summer with no masks, no mandatory testing and lower COVID numbers. The focus has shifted back to keeping coronavirus and flu at bay this winter. Those over the age of 65, healthcare staff and those who are clinically vulnerable are being offered jabs for both illnesses.
I've never had flu
No,
in
good.
my life.
Well, let's keep it that way.
This year's vaccination campaign began by providing jabs for care home residents.
Vaccination is the game changer. Now, the vaccination is only effective, clearly, if people are coming forward. If you are eligible, please do come forward, because this could really be the difference between whether you get severely ill or just mildly ill with the virus, but also could be the difference between the pressure on our NHS being significant and being completely overwhelming.
Last month, the UK became the first country in the world to approve a dual vaccine, designed to tackle both the Omicron and the original COVID-19 variant. This will be offered as part of the booster campaign. Figures from Public Health Scotland suggest nearly 79% of the Scottish population have had 3 jabs, whilst just over 10% have received their 4th or 5th jab. In the North East, it's hoped this year's campaign will help curb pressures already seen in hospitals.
Think about what's happening in healthcare at the moment, where we're still managing with 10% bed occupancy higher than we would have had in the winter.
The last 2 winters have seen very low flu numbers, largely attributed to COVID restrictions. But high cases of the illness in other parts of the world is seen as a cause for concern.
I think our worry is that when you look at what's happening in Australia in particular, which is a big warning sign for us, it has come sooner. Our worry is that it will come sooner, and that because of all the precautions have been set aside because of COVID, because of all the infection practices that we've forgotten about, that it may come back bigger and more furious than we would want it to.
Health experts are asking those eligible to come forward for their vaccinations, saying it could be the best way to protect their health and the NHS this winter. Hayley Bouma, STV News.